Before 2026, the hierarchy of France's national table tennis team was very clear. The leader was Félix Lebrun, already the biggest star of French table tennis. Right behind him was his brother, Alexis Lebrun, a player with explosive power and many big wins on the international stage. In the third position, many fans still considered Simon Gauzy as the experienced pillar of the team. His elegant style, creativity and spectacular rallies made him one of the most enjoyable players to watch in Europe. But after 2026, things have changed. Now the ranking inside France feels different. Number 1 is still Félix Lebrun. He remains the strongest and most complete French player. But number 2 has become Flavien Coton. His rise in 2026 has been extraordinary. He is beating top players, handling pressure, and showing a level of consistency that is already world class. At such a young age, his stability is the most impressive part. He plays without fear, but also without many ups and downs. That pushes Simon Gauzy into the number 3 position in many fans' eyes. Gauzy is still special. His playing style is beautiful. He creates some of the best highlights in table tennis, with amazing counter topspins and artistic rallies. Many fans love watching him because every match can produce unforgettable points. Still today, Flavien looks stronger in pure results. He is more stable match after match. He makes fewer mistakes in critical moments, and his backhand pressure is becoming a serious weapon against top players. That is why many people now see the French order as Félix first, Flavien second, Simon third. It is not because Simon became weaker, it is because Flavien Coton improved so fast that he changed the balance of the whole French team. Flavien Coton has improved very quickly because several factors came together at the right moment. It is not just one breakthrough tournament. His rise has been building for a few years, and 2026 is when many people started noticing it because he began beating elite senior players. First, he was already an exceptional junior. He won major youth titles very early, including U15 world level success, so his current level did not appear out of nowhere. The recent jump is more like the transition from junior dominance to senior consistency. French media highlighted that he had been progressing steadily through 2025, then accelerated after strong WTT runs and his title in Tunis in early 2026. Second, the French training system has become much stronger in the past few years. This matters a lot. France is currently in a golden generation with players like Félix Lebrun and Alexis Lebrun raising the standard for everyone around them. Multiple reports describe how the French Federation shifted toward decentralized high-performance centers, creating stronger daily competition. Coton benefits from training in that environment where young players are pushed to senior level much earlier. Third, his playing style is unusual and difficult for top players to read at first. Many viewers noticed during the 2026 World Team Championships that his backhand initiative was the key. He takes the ball very early, uses aggressive backhand pressure in receive and rally, and plays with little hesitation. That creates surprise because many opponents have limited match data against him. Reddit discussions from the event repeatedly pointed to how his backhand overwhelmed established stars like Hugo Calderano in short phases of the match. From a coaching perspective, the biggest reason may be this: his technical base was already there, but his confidence caught up suddenly. That often causes explosive improvement in young players. At 17 or 18, when a player starts believing they belong with top 20 players, their shot quality under pressure can jump dramatically. His recent wins against top names gave him that belief, and now he is playing much more freely. If you watch his recent matches carefully, 3 things stand out. His backhand timing is elite for his age. He contacts very early and redirects pace well. His rally courage is high. He does not back off against stronger names, which is rare for juniors entering senior events. His tactical maturity improved. He now chooses when to attack and when to absorb, rather than forcing every ball. So the short answer is, he did not improve overnight. He is the product of a strong French system, elite junior pedigree, and a playing style that is especially dangerous before the rest of the world fully studies him. For table tennis coaches, he is a very interesting case. He shows how a player can jump levels quickly when early backhand dominance, modern receive game and confidence all align at the same time.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.